When you're out in the wild, survival isn't just about finding food and shelter. Hygiene plays a critical role in keeping you healthy and strong, preventing infections and sickness. In today's video, we'll be exploring 5 easy-to-find plants and mushrooms that can help you maintain hygiene in a survival situation. These natural resources can replace modern hygiene supplies, keeping you safe and clean when you're off the grid. Let's jump right in. First on the list is mullein. You'll often see this plant growing in open fields, along roadsides, and in disturbed soils. Its soft, fuzzy leaves are perfect as a natural toilet paper alternative. Now, it's important to avoid mistaking mullein for other fuzzy plants like stinging nettle, which can give you a nasty surprise. But mullein is more than just a substitute for toilet paper. This plant also has antiseptic properties, making it ideal for cleaning wounds. If you find yourself with a cut or scrape, use mullein leaves to help prevent infection. In survival, that's critical, since even a minor wound can become dangerous without proper care. Next up is yarrow. This plant is easy to spot thanks to its delicate, feathery leaves and clusters of small white flowers. But don't let its appearance fool you. Yarrow is powerful. You can crush its leaves and apply them to your skin as a natural deodorant. This can help you stay fresh in situations where hygiene is otherwise difficult to maintain. Yarrow also has excellent wound healing properties. Throughout history, it's been used to stop bleeding and promote healing. If you get a cut or scrape, crushing yarrow leaves and applying them to the wound can help it clot and heal faster. Plantain is another useful plant that's often overlooked. You'll find it growing in disturbed areas like trails and open ground. This is a true multi-purpose plant for survival. If you've been bitten by mosquitoes or stung by an insect, chewing up plantain leaves and applying them to the affected area can bring instant relief from the itching and swelling. Not only that, but plantain also works as a natural antiseptic. Chewing the leaves into a pulp and placing them on cuts or blisters can help prevent infection, promoting faster healing. Moving on to pine trees. These are a great source for survival hygiene, especially when it comes to oral health. In the absence of a toothbrush, chew on pine bark or needles to clean your teeth and freshen your breath. Pine needles contain natural antibacterial properties that help keep your gums healthy. And here's a bonus. Pine needles are packed with vitamin C. You can boil them into a tea that not only boosts your immune system, but also helps fight off infections and fatigue. This is especially helpful when your body is under stress in a survival situation. Finally, let's talk about turkey tail mushrooms. These mushrooms grow on decaying logs and are recognizable by their layered, fan-shaped appearance. While they're not the type of mushroom you'd eat raw, turkey tail mushrooms can be boiled into a tea that has been used for centuries for its immune-boosting and antimicrobial properties. In a survival scenario where you may not have access to soap or medicine, drinking turkey tail tea can help ward off illness and keep your body strong. Let's recap those survival hygiene hacks. Mullein. Use its soft leaves as toilet paper or for cleaning wounds. Yarrow. Crush the leaves for natural deodorant or apply to cuts for wound care. Plantain. Treat bug bites and use as a natural antiseptic for wounds. Pine trees. Chew bark for dental hygiene and brew needles for a vitamin C boost. Turkey tail mushrooms. Brew into a tea for an immune boost and antimicrobial benefits. These simple, natural solutions can keep you healthy and clean in the wild when you're miles away from modern conveniences. Now that you've learned these practical survival tips, take the time to familiarize yourself with these plants and mushrooms in your local area. Being able to identify them in the wild could be a game changer when it counts. Whether you're planning your next adventure or just expanding your survival knowledge, these are essential skills to add to your toolkit. Stay prepared, stay safe, and remember, nature provides everything you need if you know where to look.